Hi guys, this is the first MMA training. Please subscribe me, follow. The first, you can, okay? Push up. 10 push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, okay? The 2 is the leg. Exercise the leg, okay? It is lazy. You can't try at home. It is lazy, okay? The third is come. Okay, you come. This is active. Active. Come. Exercise. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can't this three boxing styles. Come, jump. Okay, this is straight for leg. Jump, 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 jump. The one is jump. Okay, the two is cross, 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 cross. The third is uppercut, okay? Uppercut. Ready? Ready? Go. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The two is close, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The third is close uppercut. The uppercut is very lazy. It is very difficult. For this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Oh, this is for the sensation, okay? This place is the very difficult. For look this, look this. I am the first MMA fighter in the world, okay? Promise. I am the first. It is difficult. Pero I am difficult. You can't read this, okay? It is difficult. Bro, I am difficult. Read this three. It is difficult. Bro, I am difficult. Read this. You can, okay? You can, okay? Read this. It is very difficult. The first day is very difficult, okay? The first day is very difficult. Bro, You can never give up. Never give up, okay? You can't change your life. You can't change your problem, okay? It is very difficult. I can, okay? I can. Thank you all of above. Subscribe me. It is the dangerous place of Africa. There is no matter. You can change your life. Exercise. You focus on your work. You focus on your promise. Okay. 3 methods of change your life. The one is focus. The two is discipline. The three is priority. Okay. You can pray. Thank you.